Hello everyone, this is the recording for the Week 7 presentation. The discussion for Week 7 are what are the advantages and disadvantages of indexing within a database. Provide examples, list your references in APA format. Initial is due on Wednesday, 3 replies are due by Sunday. There is a graded discussion for Week 8. The initial post is due Monday on Week 8, so please do not post until Monday so you get your participation credit for Week 8. Post comments on how to improve this course. What course areas did you find the most difficult? No replies are required to other students, but they are welcome. The Week 7 hands-on is kind of a combination of what we learned with a little different things. So you're going to go and log into Oracle Apex. You're going to create a new table using, originally I said using the W7A1 datasheet, which is attached, but if you go and look at that, you'll see that there aren't any commas. If you go to the datasheet from Week 2, you'll see the commas are there, and without the commas your table's not going to be right. So instead go to Week 2 and use the data sheet that's attached to the Week 2 assignment. And you can name your table whatever you want, just as long as it's something that you can find. I've named mine IS182, should be 183 W7A1 data sheet, but I'm not really particular about that as long as you're showing me that you created a new table. Add a row for a new student that just enrolled in Professor Smith's Network Design course. Go to Week 6 assignment when we added Taylor Swift. That's basically what you're going to do. And you're going to take a screenshot. And the screenshot is going to show the new table, and it's going to show Kanye West. Make sure it shows your name or the schema so that I can see that you that it's yours. Next, you're going to change the course number for Intro to History to HI101. The easiest way to do that is to edit the rows. You can use a script or you can use a SQL command. That's up to you. I just found it easier to edit the row. So that I'm showing you one, but what you're going to do is make sure you show the database and the schema name so that I can tell that the screenshot is yours. And I don't care if you only show me one. Next, you're going to create a list of students for the Intro to History course and sort it by grades. Do this with the query. Should be while in the data of your table. So when you're in the table and the data, you click query and you build a query that lists, I did mine with first name, last name, the course number, the course, and then the grades in descending order, I think. So they start with the highest. And then you're going to take a screenshot, and as you can see on this screenshot, I have my table and I have my name, so my schema name. Then finally you're going to go back to your original data sheet, so you're back to your original table. Reduce the list to only include students that live in the city of Madison. Do this again with a query. You can use Query Builder, and you can list first name, last name, first name, and city. That's how I did it here, and that's fine. So you're going to end up with 4 screenshots in your Word document. Save your work as W7A1, your last name, and submit your work. So I didn't go step by step because some of this you should already know how to do. So if you have questions, let me know. So studying for the final. You may use the group by clause in a query if you are using a group function. A data type identifies the type of data Oracle is expected to store in a column. A role is a group of privileges that you can assign to a user or another role. The toDate X format function converts the X string to a date time. The user audit statement displays the audit records for grant, revoke, audit, no audit, and alter system statements issued by a current user. Know the multiple row comparison operators. Those are found on page 485. You can insert, update, and delete individual elements in a nested table. To change the name after the window has been created, you can use the title string, escape sequence, and the title command. Those I found on Windows Setting India, and you'll find the references at the end. The Audit Any System privilege allows the grantee to audit any object in any schema except the sys schema, and that was from Lawrence. 3 types of collections are associative, arrays, nested tables, and vary collections. The Enable Text Item property specifies whether the user can navigate to the item using the Tab key or the mouse pointer. Know where you can nest subqueries. That's on page 475. An object type marked as not instantable prevents objects from that type from being created. An object type can attain attributes and methods. An object reference can be used to access a row in an object table. Know what a view is. That's on page 496. And the last page are the references that I have. So I will post this PowerPoint so that you can study for the final. That's all I have for this week. If you have any questions, please let me know.